Now, in this video, we're going to learn how to show that someone is very sad. So we are so sad that it's exaggerating how big our eyes are. And look at this, our eyes are filling most of the face, so that nose is lower on the page, and this gigantic eye. And the eye is even filled at the bottom with tears. There's all this water in the bottom of his eyes, and then tears coming out of it. And so everything else is really simple. It's all about the eyes and this little sad mouth when we're not happy. Okay, so ready? We're going to draw our sad face. Okay, we're going to start with a circle, but I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to do about half my circle. But then I have to go to the other side and draw my other circle. Hey, I did pretty good that time. Okay, we're going to put our ears down low because, oh my goodness, when we are sad, our ears are sad. Everything shows how sad we are. So down low. And we have very simple body because we're mostly looking at our face. So now this guy had a really simple haircut. So we're just putting this across, okay? And then we're gonna go down. Boys' haircuts end right by their ears. So we're just gonna do that. Now remember, his nose was very low on his face because lots of room for the eyes. So we're gonna put his nose way down here. Now for his eyes, he had these really droopy eyebrows. So I'm gonna do one on this side. Those are sad eyebrows on that side. And I'm gonna put these giant eyes that are gonna come right about where the nose is. Ready? Big eyes. Big eyes. Big droopy eyes. Now at the bottom, they had this little line where the little tears are collecting at the bottom of his eyes. And at the top was a very big eyeball. Very big eyeball. And that other eyeball inside. We're gonna leave one part white and then we'll color the other part. And out of his eyes came a tear out of this eye, a tear out of this eye. And where's his mouth? At the bottom, being very sad. There we have it. There's our sad face. Okay, now we're gonna color our sad face. Remember, these are tears. Color them like tears. Ready? Let's go.